Ever used a approximately 200 yuan temp-controlled rhinestone applicator like that? Every damn rhinestone feels like it takes ages to stick properly. Small batch comes in, and your tools plus speed totally fail the efficiency test? If you're dealing with this crap, congrats. You've officially crossed over from casual DIY to legit pro-level production. Real speed-up hack? Nah, it's not about splurging on fancy rhinestones. It's about really getting the key performance stuff in those pro tools that 99% of hobby folks just ignore. True efficiency comes from heat transfer power, not the temperature setting. Hobbyist wisdom: too hot equals ruined stones and cloth. Stick to low heat and slow pressing. Efficient hotfix? It's a big temp delta that injects heat fast and spot on, not endless pressing. Hotfix glue melting point D-160 degrees Celsius. Pros run their tool at HA-400 degrees Celsius all day long. Rapid heat penetration through the crystal to instantly fully melt the base glue. This actually protects the fabric best. Pro tool secret: not merely variable temp, but abundant rapid heat recovery capacity. Cheap rhinestone applicators suck because super low power, 15 to 2.5W tops, and barely any heat storage. Instant temp drop on contact gives long press needed to melt glue, gives low efficiency plus easy stone fallout. Pro Tools' real superpower: they hold that tip temp super steady. It barely budges when you hit the stone. Every touch starts at peak temp, enabling quick, continuous rhinestoning. With a vacuum rhinestone picker system, your workflow drops to move pick press, and bam, you're 50% plus faster overall. Top tier skill: nailing the exact moment your hand feels that tiny shift. Full concentration on your fingertips. As the glue turns from solid to viscous flow, the friction between stone and fabric instantly eases off. The instant you sense the change, electric-like reflex, lift the tip vertically in a flash. This split-second hand feel is what truly sets masters apart from just skilled hands. This means at 400 degrees Celsius tool temp, the fabric side only sees tongue slightly above the glue's melt point, achieving the holy grail: fast plus accurate plus rock solid plus fabric safe. Key point: better pro tools aren't bargain being cheap, but they're also not wallet killers. Key worth of solid pro tools: they adapt perfectly to rhinestones across every price quality tier. Preheating is extremely rapid. The best ones take only 30 seconds. Industrial level design ensures full stability, reliability, and extended lifespan.